This is right here, my baby. Being the best ever. Because we are watching this. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. My 1-year-old is obsessed with The Price is Right. Except she's trying to turn the channel right now. No, no! Oh, shoot. I just did it. There we go.
Crystal metal set into silver finished branches provide a contemporary setting in this beautiful chandelier that's sure to be a talking piece in your hall. Drew, look at that.
Loves the show. I don't get it.
Does not spin itself. Does not spin itself. We'll just make the spinning shape. $2,500. $2,500. This looks rich out of your mouth. Oh my God. Karen. $2,750. $2,750. Very businesslike. Greg. $2,751. $2,751. $2,752. Second time that happened today, man. You bid $1 in the third dollar over in third position. That's what's going to happen to you, right?
I love it because it's a show that I can enjoy, and the fact that she enjoys it, it's like, okay. If I ever want her to just be calm for like an hour, I just put on The Price is Right. We have it on a series record. Say bye-bye. You waving? Okay, bye-bye.
Are you in luck today? Because I know we're